Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Monica Lopolobo. My people wicked though. For this life where we dey, people wicked though. People go just see wetin you take over your body. They go just say they will want to comot am. That's why it's not good to tell anybody. Say, hey, oh, my person, now this thing I keep me for this life where I dey. So if this thing not there again, I go die. Trust me, that person when you just tell that thing to, immediately that person go just go, he go remove that thing, make you just die. I hear say they say somebody say, Monica, I dare you to remove your makeup. For waiting. What do I want to remove my makeup for? My people, I bet more than way me and just to now waiting I come here for. Eh? There is new law in Netherlands now. This video is mostly for the Netherlanders, please, and visitor that is coming to Netherlands also. If you are a visitor and you live in Netherlands, please take this into consideration. 1st of July, there is a new law that says we must not use telephone when we are biking. Now, no say Netherlands, we dey use bicycle for here. Where many of us na bicycle now we dey use. Even if you get car, no family wey get car, we no go still get bicycle. Now bicycle children take they go school for here mostly. 99% of children for here, both big or small, they use bicycle take go school. Papa, mama, they use bicycle. Many people wey no get car, na bicycle they will take carry their pikin. For Netherlands, we get bicycle wey get you fit use and take carry your baby up to 4 years. You go dey change am. When you newly born baby, you go dey put am for like that 4-6 months old baby wey don dey sit down, you know. We get the one way we take dey carry am for front. If it don't grow, they pass that one, we come get another one where we take the carry am for back. Now that one we go dey carry am. Depends on your as your pikin take strong. Some 4 years normal go dey sit down for your back. When you come become 5 years, you come buy bicycle for go dey ride and follow you. But if maybe where the pikin they go school is far, and if papa no fit say make the pikin they ride bicycle follow am for that far place, you still get bicycle where seat where you still do for your bicycle, we go still fit carry even 12 years old pikin. But 12 years old pikin for Netherlands, you don't already get it back where you understand, because we dey ride bike for here where why Netherlands gets a plain ground, wetin we dey call platform, plain ground, where be say we not to get hill. If you see hill for here, mostly na fake, especially this our Deventer. So maybe another place where they close to us, where also be German border, those one they get small hill places like Arnhem. But you see, like this my place, like Apedon, and from here go inside Holland where we get plain ground, flat ground. Bicycle we dey use them for here where old papa, old mama, they use bicycle for here where bicycle market na here Netherlands, na really dey plenty. In short, person fit go school for Netherlands, person pikin fit go school, go say he want go do bicycle repairer. You know, say for Africa, if your pikin go school, he can't become bicycle repairer, na problem. Oh, hey my God! But for Netherlands, bicycle repairer na big man. Bicycle repairer na big man for here. If you marry a husband where be say he get company where be bicycle repairer, or God, na it be. Why? Because bicycle here, it just still be like motor. Bicycle for here, it just still be like machine. In short, I no fit use bicycle to compare machine. Rather, I go use bicycle to compare motor. You understand the way we be for here. We dey get parking space. If you reach train station, government build parking space for I dey make video later. I dey make video. If you reach Holland for here, our train station, government do parking space put way before bicycle. If you reach Central, they still get bicycle parking space. As motor people, they go here, go park. Now, so bicycle people still get place to park. You go still collect receipt, but we know they pay put for bicycle. Then they get bicycle for here where they use fuel. Then they get bicycle for here where they use machine. For Netherlands, bicycle is very, very important. Very, very important. And then they thief bicycle for here where also. Some bicycle for here, if you buy them because they dear also. We they see bicycle for here, 3,000 euro. We they see 2,000, we they even see 5,000 euro bicycle. You see all these pensioners. Now all those type of expensive bicycle that they like to buy. If you sit down, put go be like motor. You understand? We get different type of bicycle for your bicycle where you go enter before you pull leg go. They take you, they go like say you know they do anything. We also get bicycle where they use electronics for Netherlands for here. You understand? Where they use electric. Sorry, my people. Where they use electric. The bicycle. If you enter, you go on and go. They carry you. They go. You know the pedal. If you want the paddle na way you feel like, you know, most people where they use electric bicycle, sometimes they walk for far place. Why some of them get knee problem, and why some of them be people way fat. So that electric bicycle go they help them when they go they do the bicycle, the paddle, and then if they tire they'll come on electric. You go they carry it, then they go. And that electric bicycle is very, very expensive. For here we get different name for bicycle. Then they get bicycle for, we go call them for our name counselor. Where be say that bicycle na Interlope. Na be the name. Another bicycle, the different bicycle they will be Jaguar, bicycle they will be Tiger, but it go be on the name where we they call all those type of things for here. Wait till they use that name, tell me be say that bicycle if it they run today, you understand? And bicycle for here, we still they get bicycle where we they call grandpapa bicycle, grandmama bicycle. The one where they call papa bicycle now leg. Grandpapa and grandmama bicycle now leg we take the whole brake. Okay, why the normal one they get brake? And for here we they get bicycle where they get jar 1, jar 2, jar 3, jar 4, jar 5, jar 6, jar 7. Like my own bicycle where me they use now jar 7 now 9 day. If I put them for jar 1, maybe say sometime when I go just tire. And you see this bridge, because Netherlands for here, we they always get small water will be like canal. They call them canal. Small water. That canal no be real river, na fake one. Na Netherlands create them because water this Netherlands where that water go they push come out for ground, and when rain go fall, some kind of heavy rain go fall, and river go full. It go come they enter road, they enter this. So they build what they call dike where they take they open and close to limit all this water, push and go see. But sometimes go be like say the thing overfloat for city, but we know they too get and sharp. But once in a while they sabi control and where you know say no man, this our Netherlands and water. You understand? On top of water and everything they bought. You not go even notice there's sabi control and where erosion not the worry us at all. You understand? So because of all this canal, they always build all this small bridge and all this small bridge take cross road also. So if I go for bridge like that, I'll put them for jar 1, jar 2. You understand? As you they do and they go, because jar 1 they very soft. You just they do and go be like say you know they do anything, but you they waka. As you they do and they go, you can't they put them for jar 2, they go they give more fire. It just they be like motor. You can't put them for jar 3, they go. jar 4 e go dey go. If you go put and reach jar 5, that one place where you supposed to reach for half hour, you fit reach am for 10 minutes. You understand? If you get sharp break, if you get sharp break, yeah, police they control bicycle as they control car. They will control your bicycle to see say whether you get brake for your bicycle, whether you get lights, whether everything they okay for your bicycle. You understand? But car, bicycle, police no they check whether you get insurance. Now you can't know whether you go put insurance for your bicycle. Some Oyibo, many Oyibo where they buy all this expensive bicycle. Like my bicycle, I buy on 250 euro. That one, Oyibo no they even to buy that one. As children they buy that one for. You understand? If Oyibo want buy their bicycle, 1,200, 1,500, 2,000, they like bicycle where they strong, where they stand, where no they bend, where they, you know, that they like this their bicycle very strong. Like that my own way me still buy 250. Today they will feel say it's not strong enough, you know. So because they buy all this type of expensive bicycle, what they can they do be say they go put insurance through the case they thief, and because all these Poland people, all these Asia people, that they thief bicycle where. And if you buy bicycle, you go try to mark, you try to put paper, you try to put number. You take the know, and sometimes the people where you follow by the bicycle, now they put the number. Sometimes now you by yourself house, you go come put number, you go hide. And should the case person thief, you go report to police. If person thief your bicycle, you need to go report to police to get police report. Say you report them. Should the case you can't see that your bicycle with somebody, now one time you take up police, they will just come. And if you can prove, say now your own one. Receipt now to take proof. If maybe you don't lose your receipt, you mark your bicycle. If you say so thing they my bicycle, it really they na. Some people some Oyibo they mark their bicycle. Their bicycle go be blue color, for example. They'll come by paint and black. So they'll fit tell Oyibo, tell police say this my bicycle now so color. And if you can't really check her na in, and you wait if you know they know. We black for here, we they like to buy second-hand bicycle where because we not too like make we they buy expensive bicycle. You know, say we not they used to bicycle, because like if you want to go buy bicycle 1,200, for we black we they feel say you the craze, because that buy 1,200 you go feel buy car. You understand? So we know they too like expensive bicycle. We they like second-hand bicycle. And sometimes second-hand bicycle is not too good, because it go come they chop your money. Don't forget, say I tell you now, say bicycle repairer for here they be big men. So how they tell they become big men now? If you get bicycle, if it tire less, like last week now, I can't give my bicycle to my son. May take go buy something come, because my neighbor pikin can't borrow my son bicycle, which normal I know they do, because bicycle is so expensive for me. If my husband not there ask to help us, if anything happen to my children bicycle or my bicycle, they always give me stress where and bicycle they there to repair. So I know they like to borrow my children bicycle to anybody pikin. I not to really like them, because it they cost money. And when you give your bicycle to somebody, something happen to them, it go you can't go pay money put. So the best thing where they do, I know they like me and they borrow her. But that day, this my neighbor, she really close to me, and the pikin need this bicycle to take go somewhere. I can't give. So when me come say my pikin can't go buy something from me, I can't give her my own bicycle. You know our children, they ride bicycle now. That's why me too, I know they agree me person ride that my bicycle, because that my bicycle now my Benz. So when I can't give her, when my pikin they come, I don't know what to use and take chook for road. When they break, me one carry bicycle, maybe they go where me they go. Me can't say my bicycle don't less. Me I can't say na just small enter. I don't know say everything just spoil. You understand? When I can carry and reach bicycle repair, it can cost me 37 euro 50 cents. You know, 3 days later, that my own picking bicycle where I give person something just enter something just still happen to the tire. We can't find out say the tire don't fire. You know, children, if they want to break, they go the kid. So bicycle really they chop money. When they constantly carry my picking, oh go, it constantly be say now being about that is inside and outside tire you need to do just like my own. It constantly chop me 35 euro. Sometimes this bicycle, I don't know whether they get spirit and where they call for each other. I don't know. Monica bicycle, my daughter bicycle, actually a bicycle na really old one, not be new one. Because now my senior daughter fed they use the bicycle when she can't overgrow. That one another thing for Netherlands. You go the buy bicycle according to age because they go they overgrow and you go they buy. I get one new bicycle now for my kelda where I dey look for person picking where still small where I want dash because the bicycle now all these strong boys bicycle more now forget so now only one boy I get. I know they see person to give it into. So a bicycle when you use before you can use this big boy bicycle, that bicycle still dey nice, they can carry her for fun, and that bicycle I buy a new one for her from beginning. So and they just use her, not to take. They constantly they buy bicycle for going to secondary school. So that bicycle still they with me. They there. Now so bicycle they do. Sometimes you go just to see some people go carry bicycle, go second-hand people shop, you go dash them because your children don't use and finish. You don't get what you want use and do. You know if you can park bicycle, put for your backyard, you need to go. So Monica bicycle, now the bicycle where my first daughter fed they use, she know they use them again. She don't still grow past and we can't give her to Monica. Monica don't still they grow past her now, but me just say me continue to the use her until we go summer holiday, come back. You understand? So because of heavy weights, where Monica they put, so I just still come back 1 week. I repair 3 bicycle. My eye can't be red. I can't lie you. 2 times 35 euro, 37 euro 50 cents for 2. Then Monica, they can't do one for me for 17 euro 50 cents. You see, 3 bikes. Now I just repair 1 week. My eye can't be red. You see. Sometimes for Netherlands, so bicycle go just take unnecessary money. And that bicycle, you not go feel wrong, make you not do one because in the morning, now children will take go school. And you where they go work to make things easier for you. Now you go still take go. You feel get car for Netherlands, you go park your car, you go use bicycle, go work. Because sometimes we have to park car, put for your working place, you need to pay. Or sometimes no parking space for Central. The easier way for you to get there and get out now to use bike. That's why bike is always important. Bike must always be available. In short, each family they always get 1 extra bike for their store should the case. So my people, another information we come there here be say from 1st of July the contour say for top of bike we no go fit they receive telephone call again. Hey my God, since when my children they tell me I just feel okay, I go they put earpiece so for me I no hold on for hand again. You know when you they ride bicycle you can't hold on, no, it no really good, me no be the doing. So me confess say when me go just put my earpiece, me go they talk. You know, me now so me just take feel say me go take do one. So today when me can go work, me and my colleague we can they watch for break time. You know, television where they can just they show the advertisement again. You know, now me come to say, but why they know this thing? See, this person be they use the earpiece now. Why police can't still go stop? Now they say no earpiece at all. If you want to receive call, you must break, you must wait, receive the call finish, then waka your waka. Now say, hey, my people, you see this Facebook, the way it content they consume our time, we not gonna go for trouble one day. Because since now, me I no even care. Make me go really follow the news. Now so 1st of July for day. Now me go put earpiece for here. 90 euro. Now they say they go give you. If they cash you, say you they use phone on top of bike. Whether for earpiece or whether for music, they say no more from 1st of July. My people where the Netherlands, don't forget this. And you where they come visit us for Netherlands, because if visitors come visit us for Netherlands, they like to use bicycle because they very, very nice, very easy, and it be fun for newcomer to see say na bike una they use for year. Yes, na bike they use. Even our prime minister for year, they use bike to take go work. Bike for year, not be something big, not be something small, and just something normal where we all they use. You understand? In short, if you come Netherlands as a duro person for the first time, now back they could fetish you. So my people, make you not forget 1st of July, Netherlands say anybody where they see again, where they receive telephone or top of bicycle, they ride bicycle, they go. Now 19 euro booty, then they go ride for you. My sister, 90 euro na big money for nothing. That person will call you so, he not get 90 euro to give you. So I beg, no throw away your 90 euro. And me too. And me, hey, therefore your fair cash me. Because if me they on top of bicycle, I go they use one and they even chat say my own too much for me. This 90 euro, the way God take save me, may I no shopper. So my lovely people, if you call me sometime, I no answer from 1st of July. Just know, say, no be say I no want answer. Maybe Monica dey on top of her leg get this base. You understand? If I see where to park, I go pick am, because also we get bicycle road for Netherlands. You know, just feel park for middle of the way. You need to go corner and look for where to park. You see, it just still be like car. Now, so they still doing their road, bicycle road there, zebra pass still there, stop light still there for bicycle. Bicycle road just still be like motor road. Bicycle rules just still be like motor rules. If you never visit Netherlands before, I will tell you, say, make you visit Netherlands, because there are a lot of interesting things where you go like for Netherlands, especially the Ogbonge Amsterdam. But apart from that, every other city gets their small nice thing. But this bicycle na general. Anywhere where you go, bicycle na general for Netherlands. And if you be newcomer, place there where they close to train station, where be rent a bike, where they rent bike out also. A day, 1 hour, you want to go somewhere, come back. You see? So get experience, get Netherlands bike, and come and experience it for yourself. Avoid 90 euro booty. Please don't SMS on top of when you are on top of bike. Don't receive call. Don't put earpiece. Just park somewhere and receive your telephone call before heading to wherever you are going. Thank you so much. This is our Netherlands news, and don't be a mugu like Monica, we no be really here where I hear, but I can't tell myself, say I go they put earpiece. I don't know, say even earpiece is not allowed. I beg, if you know person for Netherlands where they use bike, make you send this video to her. Even if you, as far as you know person, everybody they use bike for Netherlands. If you like, you get car, you must still get bicycle. Maybe some of our black, because those one we never fair, you know now, they go like to they use motor, they don't get bicycle key. So, but their children must they use bike. So send this video, make them know. And for those where they like plan to visit Netherlands, try make you rent a bike, make you enjoy how bicycle tastes sweet for this our country. Thank you all so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And again, be strong, be yourself. Don't listen to anybody. If anybody dare you to do something, don't do it. They have no right to ask you. Do whatever that please you. Let them do whatever that please them. Thank you all so much. Bye-bye.